Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Isibaya from the 25th to the 29th of January 2021 on Monday. Saddam turns to Dabula for help with the Zungus. There is still a spark between Sbu and Mabui. Bihlangene continues trying to get his hand on Biake's wealth by planting a doubt in Mkabayi on Tuesday. Sbu is intent on respecting Biake's final wishes. Fenyang's elders are convinced his affections will be better served with someone else. Thandi is not aware that she is an accessory to a much bigger plot on Wednesday. Dabula has a new job for Kapela. Mickey plot does not go as planned thanks to Caesar and Mabui. Meanwhile, Begumuzi find Kapela in a compromising situation and fight ensues on Thursday. Dabula makes a dangerous promise to the Ngwenyes. Fezile tests Begumuzi's loyalty with a difficult request. Mickey finally tells Caesar the truth. Mkabayi is ready to exert her revenge on the Ngwenyas on Friday. Samson reminds Boo where his loyalties should lie. Londiwe is not impressed with Melusi's latest mess up. Meanwhile, Mickey agrees to help Caesar with her father. Dabula refuses to believe Nikiwe knows nothing. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share.